straight 6-speed, not like a high-low like a 48 or 46 and so on would be. I didn't want to tear the 60 up into a million pieces and put it back together. I got the tires for the 3-bottom plow, so that's what I will be using with the 60. I'll be able to put the power control back on, have hydraulics, PTO, all that happy stuff, and have the 60 original. And I'll be able, this one's a non-runner, as I said. Non-runner, I'm going to put the power block and do all the goodies to it eventually. We're going to get it off the trailer today. I bought it December 23rd, and I bought my first John Deere A December 23rd as well. So 4 years later, I've come full circle and bought another John Deere A December 23rd, and I'm going to use Sean's going to use the 560, and I'm going to ride the A down the ramp to get it off the trailer, because I want to get it off the trailer. That way I have the trailer available if necessary, and I can start working on the A a little bit. What you need to do to this? What? Put a 6-cylinder in it? No. Yeah, 6-cylinder. No, I'm not putting a range cap on it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.